Formal security risk assessment is the most effective way to your information security strategy. As someone said, if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. Apart from just being a good security practice, compliance standards also mandate formal risk assessments, be it PCI-DSS risk assessment requirement, HIPAA along with HITECH Act where risk analysis plays a crucial role in demonstrating meaningful use, ISO 27001, or for that matter SSAE 16, that is SOC 2 and SOC 3, all of them require formal risk assessment approach. Technology risk assessments are also taking center stage now. Apart from application security risk assessment, cloud and mobile technologies also require continuous risk assessments. Business is looking for return on security investment, so risk assessment is the most effective tool there. However, it's been challenging for security team to do a formal risk assessment manually. Though spreadsheets provide comfort, it's difficult to train all users inside the organizational risk assessment methodology. There is a need for a simple step-by-step approach to guide various users in the organization, many of them who may not be risk specialists. Also, managing risk treatment over emails becomes problematic when there are multiple risk action items and multiple stakeholders. Reporting is a big problem in spreadsheets, with the requirements being different from auditors, regulators, and management. However, all these problems and many more can be solved with Smart RA. Smart RA's simple 6-step approach helps organizations save almost 90% of their risk assessment efforts spent using spreadsheets. Its easy to use interface with some of the features of spreadsheets helps complete the entire risk assessment in a fraction of a time that you would otherwise spend. Smart RA has a standard database of assets, risk scenarios, threats and vulnerabilities and action items. All that you need to do is to answer a simple set of questions and you would have a template to get started off. You can create your own risk assessment template and have others within your organization use that every time you have a risk assessment to be conducted. Smart RA also enables you to conduct multiple risk assessments based on your objective, which can be compliance objective or just a good security initiative. In the action management module, you can assign action items to various people inside your organization and drive them up to closure. What's more is that these action items automatically get reflected in your risk assessment reports. Smart RA also subscribes to Octave, ISO 27005 and NIST principles of risk assessment, so your risk profiling is robust and accepted to auditors, regulators and other stakeholders. Smart RA's risk assessment reports are simple to generate and can be customized as per your requirement, so you no longer need to rework on reports every time but generate it on the fly. But in case you need to do small changes, it enables you to export it into editable formats so that you can rework on them and give it a shape that you want. Smart RA also provides an updated management dashboards in the form of executive summaries of risks before and after risk treatment. To summarize, Smart RA enables an organization to save around 90% of your efforts on risk assessments. Do your risk assessment in a structured, credible and consistent manner. Try it yourself. Sign up for free now.